participant approval feature. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your WhatsApp application, then tap on the group icon. After that, go to group permissions. And then in this section, you will see approve new members option. This is a new feature. So simply turn this on and then this feature will be enabled. So when turned on, admins must approve anyone who wants to join the group. So for example, if I am the group admin, then if other members are trying to add new member, first I will have to approve them and only they can be added in the group. So this is the feature. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.